Meet Stevie. Stevie has one purpose in life, and that is to take up space. If you're in his way, he will let you know. But why did I create Stevie? Good question. Hello, my name is Trevor, and welcome to Project 6 on my journey to 52 projects by 2025. This is not the first robot I've ever built. However, normally I work in a group. I do the 3D modeling, but leave the stinky code to someone else. I'm like Stevie. I just sit there and be annoying while the robot is being programmed. But not today. I am a changed man. I am the coder. And 3D modeler still. I didn't have a plan for what I wanted to do for this project, but I knew I wanted to use an Arduino, so I cracked open the box, accidentally broke some stuff, and made a mess. But eventually, I discovered an ultrasonic sensor and this passive buzzer. This one essentially uses echolocation. It emits a high-frequency sound and times the duration it takes for the sound to return back to the sensor. Then the Arduino computes some distance based on this time. In other words, Stevie is part bat. Oh, and this one makes noise. Combine their code, get too close, and the buzzer makes noise. The idea of a screaming, personal space-loving robot, Stevie, was born. Screaming is fine, but to really bring this pile of parts to life, it had to move. The entire design is impractical. Alas, I thought hard about this movement. I came up with the idea of using a 4-bar. This is an arm that keeps the end parallel no matter the height. Notice how this part never rotates? Bingo! We'll mount the ultrasonic sensor, Stevie's eyes, here, so he can stare straight out into space. Great, we CAD this up.
Man, I always record the modeling process and then I never use it. So we'll see if this is different. Today we are modeling my
Base for the Arduino and breadboard, servo-driven forearm here. Print this out and assemble it. A lot of the screw holes I made didn't work, so what did I do? Nothing. Now it was time to code. However, I accidentally deleted all my test code, so we're starting from scratch. I started by finding out the max and minimum height for the arm, set those as our limits so nothing ever broke. Then I used the sonic data to make it start moving if an object came within 10 centimeters. I was pretty proud of myself for not screwing up yet, but it wasn't all smooth. I spent way too long trying to figure out why my if statements wouldn't work. I initialized a variable in the main loop. I imagine this is pretty stupid, but I don't code. So meh. Anyways, problem solved. I threw the buzzer in, and Stevie is complete. Isn't he beautiful? I've been facing my dislike of programming for a few weeks now, and Stevie is now part of that journey. So, he isn't fully impractical. I hope to use my growing coding toolkit in future projects. What the? Oh, apparently I'm in someone's way. As usual, all the resources I used to make this project are in the description. Stevie and I hope to see you in Project 7. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your own projects.